channel. My name is Victor and I'm a computer scientist. I've been working for the last 4 or maybe 5 years on data science related tasks, sometimes as a data engineer, like cleaning data, formatting the data, like all the pre-processing stuff, and sometimes as a machine learning engineer, like actually building the machine learning models after the data is already prepared, is already pre-processed. I've been doing what comes after, like the machine learning model building and then deploying the models, evaluating the model performance. So this means that I've been building end-to-end solutions, okay? Like from right the beginning when you have all the raw data to till the end where you get like the actual model deployed into production. Okay, anyway, we'll discuss all this in upcoming videos, but for now, I just wanted to let you know that I have really, really good stuff prepared that I'm building for this channel, content that I will be uploading with very, very interactive and very supportive material that will give you context. All these like very well done material, which will let you learn things about machine learning, for example, and also we will be talking about uh, deep learning. Okay, uh, sorry, these were like rocks. Anyway, we will be talking about deep learning, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. So please stay tuned to this channel and like this video and subscribe to the channel. So thank you very much, and I'll see you around.